Welcome to Lida, day number 9. And today we're going to do a little something different. And I think you will have a chance to show off a little bit about behind the scenes. So what it means is that you'll take your iPhone and you walk around a little bit and show your home studio or something along the lines like this. You just walk around and explain what you're seeing and what you use these things for, and give us a glimpse, because people are very curious always about what people are, in what kind of environment are they working. Maybe they can even show the bookshelf of the books they're using, or just the tools that they're using. So that's this creates interest in other people also, how you are working. So give it a try and take your viewers out for a spin and show them how about your daily life.